When Nisha Kapoor stepped into her role as the Chief Operating Officer at Global Tech Solutions, she wasn't handed a broken company. The numbers looked strong, revenue was steadily climbing, and the quarterly reports suggested success. But as she walked the buzzing halls and observed the faces of employees, it became painfully clear that something vital was missing: purpose. People clocked in, met deadlines, and delivered results, but they lacked passion. Their eyes reflected routine, not ambition. This wasn't a failing business, it was a thriving machine running without a soul. She set up informal meetings with teams across all levels, from entry-level associates to senior managers, and asked a simple, profound question: why are you here? The responses were disappointingly uniform: to meet my targets, to get my paycheck, and because this is my job. Not a single person mentioned excitement, pride, or belief in the company's mission. That's when Nisha realized that profit alone was fueling the engine, but it wasn't igniting any fire in the hearts of her team. Nisha focused on understanding the deeper issue: the absence of a shared why. Without a purpose larger than quarterly profits, even the best teams would eventually burn out or become stagnant. Nisha made redefining the company's mission statement a top priority. The dry, corporate jargon was replaced with a message that resonated with every level of the organization: we empower people through technology that improves lives, simplifies daily challenges, and fuels innovation. Suddenly, the endless meetings and product rollouts had a deeper meaning. Employees weren't just creating software, they were solving real-world problems, making lives better one innovation at a time. But crafting a mission statement wasn't enough, it needed to be embedded into the company's culture. Nisha developed a strategy to ensure that every project, meeting, and goal was tied back to this larger purpose. Managers began starting team meetings by connecting their daily tasks to broader company goals. A coder fixing bugs wasn't just resolving technical issues, they were ensuring users had seamless experiences. The finance department wasn't just crunching numbers, they were making it possible for teams to fund innovative projects that aligned with the company's purpose. Within months, the change was visible, morale soared. Teams collaborated across departments, not because they were told to, but because they believed in what they were building together. Employees stayed late, not out of obligation, but because they were genuinely excited about the impact of their work. Performance reviews were revamped to celebrate not just output but alignment with the company's core mission. This created a culture where people didn't just chase numbers but took pride in how they contributed to the company's larger vision.
And so, Nisha didn't just save a company, she reignited its soul. She proved that true leadership isn't just about driving profits or hitting targets, it's about inspiring people to believe in something greater than themselves. When a leader finds the why, the how becomes unstoppable. The numbers follow, yes, but more importantly, so does passion, innovation, and loyalty. That's the kind of leadership that doesn't just change businesses, it changes lives. The real question now is, are you ready to lead with purpose?